What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel and part 6 of the Road to 100K series. Overall, this past month, we are up 1.41% or around $500. Nothing crazy this month. I was finally able to start making deposits again. So I put around 1,000 into my TFSA and around $200 into my RSP. Year to date, we're up 11% overall. Starting off with my TFSA, 1.77% this past month. $560. Um, Big movers this month. Bird really tanked. They had kind of a rough earnings report and they dropped. I think they're down 20% since before earnings. So they're down pretty bad. Same with EQB. They kind of went down pretty bad as well after earnings. But on the bright side, Google hit all-time highs this month and so did TD. As well, Rocket Lab is starting to upswing with Neutron rocket almost ready to launch, and Uber is creeping back up to all-time highs again as well. And the S&P 500 is also doing quite well. Loblaws went through a stock split, 4-for-1, so now I have 24 shares. Nothing crazy in my TFSA going on this month. I did make a grand pot $1,000 deposit, so that was nice. We're starting to catch up on bills again and really just putting in a lot of work and hours at work, trying to make some money so I can get back into full investing mode. With tire season around the corner, I do expect to really put in the hours so I can make good money. The work will be there, so I just gotta keep my head down, headphones in, and keep working hard. For my RSP, we are up 2.98% this month, or around $172, almost at 6 grand in the RSP. Nothing new here. I think with the $200, I bought a bit of VDY. Or I guess it wasn't $200, it was 127, but yeah, so I bought VDY. Nothing crazy with the RSP, and I did open a trading account. I'm gonna start learning how to do options. I did make 2 trades so far, and they were not good so far. I did lose. Well, let's look. I like to be very transparent. Yeah, so I made around a $244 deposit and quickly lost that in short call options. I was far too uneducated with how to buy options, so that's completely on me. I am learning better strategies, and right now I just have it in a swing trade with United Health leverage shares. So that's more of a swing trade while I learn options, as well as some even swing trading strategies. So I did only put what I could lose, and I did lose it. So that's kind of going to be the theme of the account, is I'm only going to put in what I can afford to lose. And if I am taking on the risk that I might lose every dime that I deposit into that account. Once I learn better option strategies, I was looking at a Google option, but I did the math wrong, and I thought it would be around $200 a contract, and it was like $2,500 a contract. So not doing that anytime soon. I would like to do a Google option, though. I do believe in them long term, so it'd be kind of a double bonus in my TFSA. Plus, I'm waiting on their option call, but I still got a lot of research to do on that yet. So for buys and dividends this month, there was no sells. We bought 12.2 shares of CNQ, 2.3 shares of VDY in my RSP, and 5.5 shares of EQB on the earnings dip. I do have a pending order for Bird as well for their earnings dip. I was kind of waiting for it to go down a little bit more, but I'm comfortable with the price they're at now. So I'm gonna buy the dip because I still believe in them long term. Sells, yeah, no sells. Dividends only 832 this month, which was 345 from VDY and 487 from Bird. Top performers this month, Google takes the number one spot, 12.47% gain. Uber at second, 7.7% gain. And Rocket Labs, 7.63%. So not number one this month, but still podium. Worst performers, Bird down 19% after earnings, EQB down 12% after earnings, and Hammond Power Solutions down 4.74% after, not after earnings, but just rougher month for them. Overall, nothing crazy this month. No crazy gains, no crazy losses. Borderline, almost flat. With September being historically a bad month, I do expect some buying opportunities. So, with with work starting to pick up, I do anticipate to have more money to invest, um, especially entering tire season. And as well, we're starting to get a lot of deliveries for vehicles. And the pre-delivery inspections pay quite a lot for what you have to do. So if the work is there, I'm gonna be staying late, trying to make some extra money. Just really putting my head down, try and get my 50 grand goal by the end of the year, which will be make or break with how I do this tire season, if I'm completely honest. So I'm just gonna keep working hard, try and invest as much as I can, and see what kind of buying opportunities I have later this month. But that will be it for today. Thank you everyone for watching. Please like and subscribe if you want to follow my Road to 100K series.